Hi everyone, here your master pattern. Today I am going to teach you how to make a classic Princess Styleline bodice from Basic Bodice. You can see here there are two front panels and two back panels. So for this, take Basic Bodice front sloper and trace it on the brown sheet. And now mark the mid shoulder point and draw a slash line from mid shoulder point to apex. Mark notch marks 5 centimeters above and below the apex. Cut the pattern and close shoulder neck dart as I am showing here. Now cut through princess line and blend near the apex and make a nice curve. And remove the waist dart from the center front panel. Now you can see two front panels. Write all the information starting from the title of the exercise, grain line, and all the details including size. Now take back pattern, trace it on the brown sheet. And now first dart leg of the shoulder you have to connect with waist dart tip and draw a slight curve as I'm showing here by using master scale, and shift shoulder dart on the line that you have drawn and redraw the shoulder dart here. And erase previous dart to avoid confusion. Mark notch points near dart tips. Cut the pattern and remove the darts. And wherever you get pointed ends and you have to blend it, make a smooth curve. Write all the pattern information on each panel. Hope you understand how to convert basic bodice into a classic Princess Styleline bodice. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.